In this video, I'm going to show how to set up the internal network within Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So within Oracle VirtualBox Manager, if we click Tools, you do not really see anything called internal network. Okay, so basically, internal network works differently. To do that, we need to actually first click Windows VM, and we go to Settings. We click this network, then we choose internal network. You can see here, this internal network is called intnet. Okay, so we OK, right? And then we come to set Kali VM. And so again, we click settings, we go to network, and we choose internal network. Then you can see again, it's called intnet. So that's good. However, we want these two VMs to get an IP address automatically. To do that, we have to come to here, use the command prompt. So you can see we have to use this vboxmanage. This belongs to VirtualBox Manager. And we use this VirtualBox Manager program to set up the DHCP server for the internal network. You can see here I specified the network is called internal network, right? INTnet. That's what the two VMs use. So the DHCP server stays at this IP, then this is the lower IP, and this is the upper IP. So basically, when a VM tries to get an IP from this DHCP server, they will get it from this range. Okay, and so I think then it's ready. So let's go. Okay, it's called remove. Okay, good. So so now let's come back to this one again. Okay, so now it's good. Okay, so now let's actually start a Windows VM. We also start a Kali VM. These two VMs should get an IP address within this range. Okay, so now let's log into Kali VM. And don't do anything until everything is settled. Okay, now let's check the IP address of Kali VM. Fconfig. Very good. So you can see we got an IP address of 10.37.1.110, which is indeed within this range. Okay, so now let's go to Windows VM. Let's wait until we see the taskbar. Okay, good. We click command prompt. Okay, we use IP config to check the IP. Looks very good. 100, that's Candy's IP. So looks everything's good. Okay, so one thing I want to mention is within Candy VM, you can use this network manager to check the configuration of the network. So for example, I want to check the configuration of ETH0. So you can see here, right, everything looks okay. For IPv4 here, make sure you use DHCP. If you see any static IP address setup here, just delete it. Okay, and I think that's good. And also within this VirtualBox Manager, okay, and when you look at the network settings of each VM, make sure you have only one adapter, right? If you don't have any special reason, okay, and so just make sure you check the checkbox here. For all other adapters, don't do anything. Just if you check the adapter 2, just disable it. Okay.